In this video, we're going to be doing an individual integral. It's going to be a basic u-substitution integral, which would typically be found in a Calc 1 class. All right, so I'm going to start by letting my u be everything that is underneath this radical. So we're going to say let u equal 1 plus cosine x. Now I'm going to take the derivative of both sides, so we'll have a du is equal to, derivative of that 1 is going to go to 0, derivative of cosine is going to be a negative sine x dx. I'm going to go ahead and solve all the way down for the dx, so I'm going to divide both sides by that negative sine x. So we'll have a du over a negative sine x is equal to our dx. All right, now at that point, we're going to come back up here and we're going to start doing some substitutions. Okay, so we'll have our integral. All right, in place of that 1 plus cosine x, we'll put our u. So then we're going to have square root of a u. That sine x is going to stay put. We're going to replace dx with everything it equals. So we'll have a du over a negative sine x. What that's going to allow me to do then is cross out the sine x's. I still do have that negative there, so I can pull that negative out in front. I'm going to have a negative out in front. We'll have the integral. All right, and then let's go ahead and take that square root of u and write it as u to the 1/2 power. Just going to make it easier there when we need to integrate. Okay, so we'll have the negative out here in front. And then when we integrate here, we're going to add 1. So that'll give us a 3/2. Flip it in front, we'll have a 2/3 u, then to that 3/2. And then we'll have the plus c. All right, negative through the whole thing. I'm going to replace my u with what it equals. I'm going to turn this back into a square root to the 3rd power. So we'll have a negative 2/3. We'll have a square root, replace u, 1 plus cosine x, and that'll be to the 3rd power, plus c. So a pretty straightforward u substitution here, typically found in a Calc 1 class. Definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends so they can benefit too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.